at the groomer. There's so much to do today. The house is a mess. I feel like I say this every time I'm vlogging. I'm just like, the house is a mess all the time. I've got to clean, dude. It's time. I started Vlogmas like a little early this year. Like I'm pre-filming because I have family coming in town for like 10 days. I did my makeup. I tried, this looks so wonky. I saw someone wearing like really big lashes. I think they had lash extensions that were like crazy, and I'm like, I miss wearing a full lash. I don't think I've worn a full lash in years, it feels like. So I did a fake full lash, and this one's so wonky. Whatever. I should not have come over here because I just realized that I bought these yesterday, and now I have to eat one. These coconut truffles. I can't even believe this exists.
What's up? What are you doing? Eating chocolate at 10 a.m.?
You don't have a watch on. Is there a wrong time for chocolate?
I guess not. Well, you already did eat breakfast, so I guess it's fair.
Hater alert.
It's dangerous to take those out of the package.
I know.
They're too accessible.
Hands off. I'm gonna count them and make sure you don't eat them. These are for me.
Have you had the white chocolate ones today? They're even better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, I'll remember that number as well.
Are you body shaming me?
No.
Did you hear when we were dropping the boys off, that lady with the other dog, she was like talking about dieting, and she was like, I keep a bowl of candy by the door for a little, what did she call it? She called it a little, did she say like lift me up or something?
Yeah.
A little lift me up. And I said me, and then I thought she was talking about like a certain candy, and then she was like, yeah, I just keep some Reese's in a bowl. And I'm like, this woman is me.
That woman was you. She almost had identical dogs to us too.
I know, she had a little Ozzy and Rue, or Lenny. Lenny and Rue are twin dogs. After this Reese's, I'm gonna be fired up for the day, ready to go.
This is what's gonna get you going?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing today?
Oh, I clean the house, look around. There's shit everywhere.
Yeah.
Can you unload the dishwasher really quick so I can finish the kitchen and finally clean the espresso machine?
Yep.
Thank you. Taking a picture for Jace's pop punk Christmas song. I need to fix the other side of your hair. It's really... You need a haircut already? Oh no, you have a white hair.
What?
Yep. It's happening.
That's because I'm turning into Santa Claus.
What's that word again? Yeah. Do one a year. Rah!
Rah! Yeah! Yeah!
Bring your fingers up higher. Slide them back down. Yeah, that looks cool when you slide them. You have to see this. Jace is the worst model to ever. Okay.
Yeah! Yeah, rockin' in free world.
Sing your song, but look excited about it.
The world. Now, what is this? How does the song go?
You just wrote it. What are you doing?
I'm resting and it's freezing in the house, so I'm covered up.
It's 71 degrees in here.
Oh, I feel a chill from the bone. I have the shivers.
It's a sickness. I just realized that I got my hair done, what, 9 days ago? And I haven't washed it yet.
That's gross.
My hair does not get oily.
9 days?
I've taken showers, but I haven't washed my hair.
I go 1 day and I feel best.
You have to train your hair.
I tried to train my hair, and then when I was training my hair, you were like, you don't wash your hair enough.
It's true. That's because I feel like you don't scrub your hair enough. I've been seeing a lot of stuff about men online who don't know how to wash themselves in the shower, so I'm just very leery about you now. But anyway, look at this. Up here, it is starting to turn yellow. I haven't washed it yet.
You better get your
So, I am. I texted my hairdresser, who also happens to be a friend of mine, and was like, hello, what is happening? And she said to put this stuff she gave me on it for 10 minutes and then wash it out and see what happens. And luckily, she's in Palm Springs today in case she needs to stop by and fix it. This never happened. I don't understand why. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, but I have to see if this is gonna neutralize before she's gone, if that makes sense.
Here I am, I serve you food every day.
What are you talking about, give you a break? Give me a break.
We serve you food every day, all kinds of food, and the one time I forget the vinaigrette.
The vinaigrette is the only item that I care about.
I live this down.
The other day, my mom...
Months ago.
This was a couple days ago. The other day... actually, hold on, I need a brush. Okay, the other day, my mom and I were working hard because we launched our holiday collection. We were working nonstop for like 5 days straight. We were so hungry. We're like, Jace, can you go get us Chipotle? Because it sounded so good. The only reason I even like Chipotle is because they have a vinaigrette. And if you put the vinaigrette in your burrito, it's so good. So anyways, I would have just like done Uber Eats, but you can't request the vinaigrette on Uber Eats. And if you do, if you message them, they always forget it. So we told Jace, don't forget the vinaigrette. He knows this, by the way, we're literally married. And he comes back in. Keep in mind, I was having a rough day this day. I was like not in a good mood, and he comes in and he's like, I forgot the vinaigrette. I would have loved to know what he was feeling, because I'm sure he thought he was going to be murdered. Did you?
Yeah, I thought I was done. I was getting ready to pack my stuff up.
Yeah, that was grounds for termination. No, it was fine, but I'm never going to let him live it down, obviously. Like, that's too much to have on him. But now I was just saying I kind of want Chipotle because I just want the vinaigrette, really. But Jace is in bed. He looks like the grandparents in Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. Get up.
You know how bad that bed must have stank.
Okay, I put this stuff on. I'll let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse it and try not to get everything wet. We'll see. It is already dark outside, but we took the boys to get their haircuts and then we ran some errands. I rinsed my hair out. I think it looks a little better. I'm gonna wash it in the morning now because it's dark and I need to film a little hair tutorial thing. But let me show you the boys and their haircuts. Come on, let's go. Rue didn't get his hair cut yet because our groomer started to like feel a little under the weather and asked if we could bring him on Friday, so we're gonna do that. But let me show you my eyes. Ozzy got short ears. Who is this boy? He has short ears, but his little paws have like little boots. He's so handsome. Oh, thank you. He also got his teeth cleaned. It was an expensive day at the groomers. The lady, we always go to this one lady, and her sister was there today who does like dental stuff on the dogs, and Ozzy and Nicholas are both Yorkies, and Yorkies have just like really bad teeth. So I was like, yeah, let's do the dental. Like they really need one, and our vet's really hard to get into, but she didn't tell me how much it cost. So when I went to pick them up, I was like, how much was that? Come here. Lenny, poor Lenny had mats, so he got shaved down. But he still has cute ears. You're so cute. They have to wear these little belly bands inside if you're new because they like to tinkle. I don't know if anyone cares about my dog's fashion show right now, but if I was watching, I would care because I only care about my dogs. Hi, Nick. Nixie got his usual, and he's got little pants. I don't know if you're able to tell. Looks like he's wearing little pants. Good little boy. You get your teeth cleaned. Also went to Target again. Let me show you. We got some things for We're making Christmas cookies when my brother's here. Got like a bunch of stocking stuffers too. Got some cute like little baking things. Target has so many cute things right now for Christmas. We got these little spatulas that are like Christmas. And then a bunch of different Christmas cookie cutters. Got like 5 or 6 of them. A tablecloth to put over the table when we roll everything out. That's pretty much it. We got some other like boring stuff, like Jace got this deodorant that's Yule Log scented. And I got another spin mop. I also bought, they were doing like a huge sale on this steam cleaner. It's for floors, and our floors are concrete. And whenever we have these guys come to like clean our rugs, they're like, oh, let us come and do a steam cleaning on your concrete, because I guess that's like the best way to clean it. And I never call them back because I'm scared it's gonna cost a lot, but now I bought one so I can do it. We also got stocking stuffers stuff for, we're doing like Christmas when my brother's here, but who cares, I'll put that in another video. I'm gonna go relax for the rest of the night. I was gonna wash my hair, but I've heard that washing your hair at night and sleeping on it wet is not good for your hair. Like, it'll cause breakage, so I don't want to do that now. So I'm gonna do my hair in the morning, so we will be on day 10. Jace really tried to roast me for that, but I feel like that's an accomplishment. Day 10 and my hair looks like this. Like, I have not washed it in 10 days. That man can say whatever he wants. That is an accomplishment. Oh wait, we also got cute soap. Peppermint and the Iowa pine that we always get, but I thought they were cute together. No one cares. I'm gonna go watch TV. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing. You and me could have a pop punk Christmas.